broke my eardrums. Stop it. Jeez. I hit it!
You hit it.
Ah!
I gotta cut this again, hold on. So this is a trick I picked up while doing this kitchen. The marker I have in my hand is actually a stain marker that's the same color as the cabinets. It actually came with our kitchen, and if you draw on the corners like I have, it'll hide any imperfections or if that cuts off just a little bit.
Oh my gosh, you scared me.
This has too. Ooh, I was like...
And I've talked about this glue before in previous videos. This glue is 2P-10. And this is an awesome trick for getting the perfect corners on your trim. To fill the nail holes, if you look at the glue cap that I have just past my shoulder, there's a ball of what looks like putty. And that also came with the cabinets. It's the same color as the cabinets. And it's basically just putty that you can fill into the hole. And when you get it smooth to the surface, it blends in any holes. You can't even tell they're there.
You did not even really slide.
No, I can't do it without socks.
2 minutes of this. Just don't break your neck.
I can do better. Dang it. Look, I'll get this.
I feel like it looks good.
How's that?
That's good.
gosh. Whoa, that was very brave. That scared the heck out of me.
Half a mile an hour. Watch out, Bexy.
Oh my gosh, I thought they were gonna crash.
Can I try? I did the whole thing.
Where are we, Lincoln?
At the Knolls.
At the Knolls again. And look, Max is in the toilet bowl.
He's a stuck piece of poop. The other way is like rock. It's not bumpy, it's flat. But this one is super sand. Watch. Watch me. That looks like that. Right there. We're really tacking down the sand.
Oh, Link.
See this body? Watch this. This isn't gonna be easy. It ain't gonna be easy. Ah! Oh, watch me. Look. See my back tire? That's sand. Ah! Stuck.
Lincoln!